Hi class. For this week 8 discussion, I'm going to be talking about the arches of the foot and the functions. When we think about our feet, we're thinking about them as something we just stand or walk on, but there's a lot of structure and science that go behind it. The arches of the foot aren't just for shape. They play a big role in our movement, balance, and shock absorption every time we take a step. There are two main arches in the foot, the longitudinal arch and the transverse arch. The longitudinal arch runs the length of the foot from the heel to the toes. It actually has two parts. The medial arch, which is on the inside of the foot and is higher, and the lateral arch, which is on the outer side and is flatter and more stable. The transverse arch runs across the foot from one side to the other. These arches work together to form a strong but flexible base that supports our entire body weight. The functions of the arches is to absorb shock and support our weight when we stand, walk, or even do things like running. Every time our foot hits the ground, the arches flatten slightly to absorb the impact, and then they bounce back up to help push us forward. They also help keep us balanced and stable, especially when we're walking on things like uneven surfaces. If someone's arches are too flat or too high, it can lead to pain and problems whenever they're running or walking, and especially lead to more problems as we get older. The arches stay in shape because of mixed bones, ligaments, and muscles working together. Some important muscles that support the arches include the tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum, and flexor hallucis longus. These muscles help with movements like pointing the toes down or turning the foot inward. The plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that runs along the bottom of the foot, also helps hold the arches up and acts as a base of tension, kind of like a tension cable. So to summarize, the arches of the foot are more than just a regular curve. They're a key part in how we move, stand up, and stay balanced. They absorb impact, help us walk efficiently, and keep our body supported with every step. Just remember that whenever you're running or walking, the arches are doing a lot of the work to help us stay supported and not cause us pain over time. Thank you guys for listening.